Good morning, this is Steve over at Cam's Cars, and today we have a DIY line special. Yes, we do. A do-it-yourself, coming at trade, Ford Mondeo. Yes, this one, 2012, okay? Come in, part exchange, yeah? Literally, DIY line this. It's a bargain, absolute bargain. It's like £2 less than it should be because it's what we paid for it. But I knew there was a fault with the car, so that's why I paid so little. And then I'm just passing the saving on to you. So, 2012 Ford Mondeo titanium, okay? Look at the alloys, they're mint, aren't they? Lovely. I mean, don't get me wrong, there's a slight bit, nah, they're mint. In my opinion, they're mint. You got a couple of little dent marks there. Like tiny, I mean, you know, I'm picky. Absolutely lovely, this car. But it has a little issue. A little issue being an issue. So let me open up the boot. Lovely condition, isn't it? I mean, I don't think this is actually for this car because it overlaps slightly. But nonetheless, does the job, doesn't it? Really, really nice. I got the load cover on there as well. Very nice. I like the titaniums because they come so well equipped. Down the lines of that, that's looking nice. It's looking nice. So, open up the back. As you'd expect, immaculate for any one of ours. Apart from my dirty footprint, just there. Then, here we have electric windows, mirrors. Another stone. Every video's got a stone. These stupid new trainers pick up stones. Right, so, apologies for that. Height adjustable driver's seat. Immaculate interior. Okay, immaculate. You can't fault it on its appearance or anything. Oh, look, someone's trying to ring me. And we'll just cancel them out. Right, so 101,470 miles. Okay, no problem at all. So everything's tickety-boo so far. Tickety-boo. Right, let me start the car. Starts up beautifully. As you can see, it's doing all its like little mini checks and stuff. All happy days. So, let's talk about the good bits, okay? Let's talk about the good bits. Multi-function steering wheel, cruise control, Bluetooth, etc., etc. All your Bluetooth controls up there, cruise control, etc. all there. Even got auto lights, auto lights and wipers. It's a lovely car. Titaniums always are. You've got heated windscreens, front and rear, DAB digital radio, Bluetooth, dual aircon climate control, lovely, easy to use, Powershift automatic gearbox. Okay, then we got massive cup holders and lovely storage, and storage in there where you got USB 12-volt charger and auxiliary. Yeah, Isofix, very, very nice. Okay, lovely car. Now let's talk about the not so good bits, people. Hence why I'm selling it to you. Just like part exchange, trade, get rid of it. Yeah, so put it in drive, silky smooth. Drive down the road, silky smooth. Until you get to around about, I don't know, was it about 70 miles an hour or something? And then you could just feel the whole car going. Clearly needs some transmission work. Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, check around the engine and everything. Looks spot on. Yeah, service history, none. Actually, that's a lie. You got the last service history, brand new battery, and then the service that was done, I don't know, about a month or so ago. Yeah, so that's all you got on the service history. Yeah, but the car, you can tell it's been looked after. Don't get me wrong, but it's got an issue because this is clearly, I don't know, you could be really lucky and get away with like a transmission service, you know, where they change the fluids and change the filter in happy days because it might not have been done, and technically you should have it done every 10 years on these. It could be that. It could be a valve solenoid. They're quite common on these. So there's a little solenoid you could buy and then put it in the valve block. If it was me, and I could be asked, I would then, I think they sell them on eBay. It's like the whole block. It's the whole valve solenoid block for like 250 quid, like refurbished and stuff. And then you just drop the gearbox. Well, not the gearbox, it's just the bolts out the bottom. Take the valve block out, put a new one in, and jobs again. But ideally, then you do a gearbox service, etc. That should fix it. If not, then it'll be like, I don't know, whatever else goes wrong with the gearbox, but it's usually that, to be fair. But yeah, we don't have time. I don't care. It literally is. Any one of these cars now come in, I've got a golden rule. Any car that comes in as a part exchange and it's got an issue, we just go bye-bye. Not interested, because we've got premium stock coming in from main dealers, etc., that are just really easy clean, wash, MOT, sell, service. Boom. We don't have time for this because it'll just go to the back of the queue. So you, yes, you, if you are like interested, you're going to get a bargain. A bargain. It's like 2,300 below what it should be because that's what a trade price is. So you better be quick. I'm going to go do some other videos. Have a nice day. I'm just going to wave. Bye-bye.